In 1925, George Godber and Carl Speer founded Trojan Battery. Inspired by their time in the Navy, the duo embarked on a journey that would revolutionize battery technology. Starting from a small shop in Los Angeles, Trojan's journey began with repairing car and truck batteries. By the 1930s, George Godber developed a patented method to optimize battery performance, paving the way for future innovations. In 1952, Trojan Battery introduced the world's first deep-cycle golf car battery, powering the Autoet Golfmobile. This breakthrough secured Trojan's position as the trusted industry leader in batteries for golf carts and low-speed electric vehicles.
I think the reason that we've lasted 100 years as a company is product quality. Trojan has built its reputation since 1925 on product quality, on product innovation, and continue to do that today.
In the 1960s, Trojan Battery expanded its operations to meet growing demand, relocating to a larger facility in Santa Fe Springs, California. This move enabled us to serve a broader range of industries, including marine, construction, and material handling. By the 1980s, Trojan had established facilities on both coasts, solidifying our ability to deliver high-quality deep-cycle batteries nationwide. Trojan now has corporate headquarters in the U.S., as well as regional offices and manufacturing facilities around the world. In 1985, we revolutionized battery performance with the introduction of the MaxGuard Advanced Design Separator, doubling cycle life while maintaining cost efficiency. This innovation set a new benchmark in the industry, ensuring Trojan's position as a leader in deep cycle technology. In 1993, Trojan trademarked its distinctive maroon color, recognized worldwide as a symbol of quality, reliability, and safety.
When you mention the name Trojan, it's meaning of performance, quality, efficiency, and it's a high brand level. You go to golf courses where you can find a golf car, and you go and look into those cars and see that maroon color, people will tell you that's a very high quality product.
By the 2000s, Trojan's commitment to quality was recognized with ISO certifications for our manufacturing facilities, a testament to our unwavering dedication to excellence. We are dedicated to meticulously designing and manufacturing products that are safe for our valued customers while also providing a safe work environment for our employees. Trojan is committed to sustainability, ensuring our products not only deliver performance, but also contribute to a greener planet. Our batteries power renewable energy systems in rural communities, enabling off-grid solutions while reducing environmental impact. Both smart carbon technology and lithium-ion solutions from Trojan are helping customers achieve their sustainability goals. We are committed to creating eco-friendly energy storage solutions using state-of-the-art, environmentally sound manufacturing processes, and advanced green practices. Trojan led the charge into the renewable energy era with innovations like the award-winning Trojan AES AGM technology and smart carbon technology. Our products power everything from golf carts to solar applications, earning global acclaim. Through decades of innovation, Trojan has remained committed to its people.
Working here at Trojan Battery, I tell folks that there's no real bad apple in the bunch. Folks come here to work and they're happy to be working on batteries because really we're just a bunch of battery nerds.
Well, after 100 years of success, I would say we are forging ahead into new market segments as well as new chemistries with the lithium iron phosphate chemistry. So I think the future is definitely bright for Trojan Batteries.
Trojan Battery has always had the reputation of being the best battery in the industry, with customer service to match.
From our founder's vision to global leadership, Trojan Battery celebrates 100 years of safety, innovation, quality, and sustainability. The next century holds even brighter possibilities as we continue to shape a sustainable future.